Good morning, good day, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to have a virtual instruction about a project coming up. It's going to be a virtual time capsule. Well, first off, you're going to say, Mr. J, when is this time capsule due? Well, let's look at this. The project is for the week of October 24th through 28th. This project is worth 75 points. You need to select at least 10 inventions, devices, books, songs, or other things you think are important items. Items you select should be historically important. You can select any format for this assignment. You can do an essay, you can do a PowerPoint, you can do a video. You can do anything that comes into your mind. Now, what are you saying? Well, what's an important invention? Well, let's look. You've got the steam engine, you've got the telephone, you've got the train, you've got the airplane, you've got the light bulb, you've got the camera. Pick an item. Now, when you pick this item, I want a picture of it. Do not give me a list. If you just put 10 things on a piece of paper, you are going to get a 0 grade. Let's repeat that. If you put a list of 10 items without any pictures, without any explanation why they're important, you are going to get a 0 grade. Well, I also said important books. What books are important to you? Harry Potter, Shakespeare, The Lion, the Witch, and Wardrobe, Tomorrow and Beyond, The Best of Adam Sharp. Ladies and gentlemen, any books you even currently read are history. They were printed before their history. So if you think it's important, tell me. Show me what book and then tell me why it's important. And I'm not asking some in-depth, oh, it changed the world. I'm saying, why is it important to you? Okay, other things. Now, Mr. J selected music. Tell me songs. Tell me groups that are important. All right. Would you put the Rolling Stones? Would you put the Beatles? Would you put Elvis Presley? Will you put Tupac? Will you put Will Smith? Tell me groups you think are important, music you think is important. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not doing anything crazy here. If it's important to you, it is important. And who knows, if you like a new song, if you like something that's just come up, who's to say it will not become politically and culturally important in the future? If you like it, you cannot be just the only one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, think about this. I've covered inventions, I've covered books, I've covered music. You're saying does it have to be one of those? No. If there is something, if there's a historical event, if there's a happening, if there's anything you think is politically, historically important, tell me. If you want to put a person in your virtual time capsule, go for it. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Benjamin O. Davis Sr., just to name a very few. All right? If you think these people are important, add them. Add a picture and tell me why they are important. All right, folks, let's keep going. Okay, think about what you would put in the capsule. You need at least 10 items. You need 10 items to get the 75. You go more, I might bump your grade up from that. You need to show a picture of the item. Don't create a list, folks. You need to say why it is important. I'm not asking historically important. I'm saying why is it important to you? You can select any format. You can do a PowerPoint. You can do an essay. You can do a video. You can do animation, whatever you think is important. Turn it into the assignment Dropbox. You will find it there. If there are any questions, contact me. My contact information is on the class page, the class content page. So what I want you to do is look at this video and examine it. This video will be available to you. the day that this project is started. This PowerPoint I will give you in class. Now, as I said, if there are any questions, please contact me. Y'all have a great day and have some fun with this project. That's what it's meant for.